Thank you for your interest in our website as a service program for cleaning services. One thing I will begin by saying is this: if you have a local service business, such as a cleaning service business, a website that is professional, that is clean, that relays your message, that has more information about your company, and resonates trust to your prospective customers, even to your current customers, is of the utmost importance. It's one of those things where if you don't have one, you're not being as competitive as you possibly could in your given marketplace. Your competitors are going to have a bit of an edge over you, and you're likely to lose clients just by not having that professional appeal. So for any cleaning company just getting started, or preparing themselves to be able to start scaling, it is one of those things where you do want to have a website as soon as possible. Now, the classic dilemma is, websites are traditionally very expensive. They cost a lot of money, and they are tedious, and they take a lot of work and a lot of time. Well, we have kind of changed that and flipped that whole model on its head by offering our website as a service instead of a traditional website. Now, the big difference here is, instead of you doing all the work, or us doing all the work, and then you having to manage hosting and manage the website and keep it secure, we do all that for you. We provide you with customizable professional themes. We do all the initial design for you and get it looking just the way you want it to look, all at a very low monthly fee versus a large upfront cost. Now, we also handle all the hosting, so you don't have to pay any hosting fees. So that would normally range from $10 to $50 per month for hosting. Again, that's something you don't have to worry about. Again, we provide custom themes and plugins where that's no longer an issue. So typically, if you have your own website, you have to buy your own custom themes or your own premium plugins and themes, which is, again, more money on top of the hundreds, if not thousands of dollars you paid for your own website. Another thing that we do is ongoing maintenance and updates. That way you don't have to worry about updating your website. We'll do all that for you. We'll take the hard part out of it. As far as content updates, you can actually do that yourself, or we can do it for a small fee, but you have the ability to make these changes on your website. So if there is any unfortunate scenario where your website does get hacked, which does happen from time to time, we have everything backed up. We fix everything. We cover everything for you, so you can have peace of mind. It's like having an insurance policy. It's just something you don't have to worry about. And of course, the whole process is easy enough where literally your kids can do it. You don't have to have extreme technical skills or know how to do coding or know how to do CSS or design. We handle all that for you. Also, if you need a website redesign, you want to refresh, we do a free redesign every 12 to 18 months. So that is our website as a service in a nutshell. It's again, a very affordable price for what you get in return, and it gives you and your business that professional appeal where you can begin focusing on what you do best, and we can handle the technical aspects of putting together a site that actually converts your prospective customers for you.